Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about the Egyptian civilization part 2.
Social structure. The Egyptian society was divided into three main classes. First, the upper class. It consisted of the royal family, rich landowners, priests, high officials, and doctors. Second, the middle class. It consisted of craftspeople, merchants, and manufacturers. And third, the lower class. It consisted of peasants. At the bottom of the social structure, there were the slaves who were mainly prisoners of war.
Family life. The families were close knit groups. The relation between the husband, wife, and children was usually close. The father was the head of the family. Women were treated with respect and their property rights were protected. They were more or less equal to men in the eyes of the law. Children enjoyed carefree and happy lives. The boys were sent to school and the girls stayed at home and learned housework. Wealthy families lived in lives of luxury and pleasure. Family outings and recreation included hunting, fishing, swimming, and sailing on the Nile.
Food. Bread made up from wheat and beer made from barley formed the staple diet of people. They also ate vegetables, fruits, meat, and dairy products.
Occupation, art and craft. The craftspeople worked very hard to satisfy the demands and expensive tastes of the aristocratic and priestly classes. There were skilled craftspeople such as potters, goldsmiths, carpenters, weavers, sculptors, and painters. The sculptors carved large stone statues of the kings and gods while the artists decorated the tomb walls with exquisite paintings. These paintings tell us a great deal about the lifestyle of the early Egyptians. The Egyptians built a number of magnificent temples with pillared halls. The walls and pillars were decorated with beautiful paintings of humans, animals, and birds.
Dress and ornaments. The Egyptians dressed simply. Their dresses were made up of white linen. The men wore loincloth and the women wore long, tight fitting dresses with shoulder straps. Later, their dresses became more complex. Before, men and women wore elaborate jewelry, cosmetics, and wigs. Men paid much attention to their hairstyles.
Occupation, agriculture. The chief occupation of the Egyptians was agriculture. The fertile soil, the abundant supply of water from the Nile, and the vast irrigation network enabled them to grow crops throughout the year. The chief crops were wheat, barley, and millet. Vegetables and fruits such as dates, apples, peaches, and figs were also grown.
Religion. The Egyptians worshipped many gods connected to nature. Ra, the sun god, and Osiris, the god of the dead, were the most important gods. The pharaohs were also worshipped as gods. Each city, each town, and each village had its own favorite god. Certain animals, such as jackal, bull, crocodile, and hawk, were also worshipped.
Medicine. Egyptian doctors and surgeons were renowned for their skills. The advanced and elaborate technique used in mummification or embalming an Egyptian corpse showed their deep knowledge of the human body and its systems. Doctors, mainly priests, specialized in the treatment of eyes, teeth, and etc.
Life after death. The Egyptians believed in life after death, so they preserved the body of the dead. A dead body was embalmed with spices and wrapped in fine linen. Such a preserved body is known as a mummy. Food, wine, clothes, furniture, jewelry, and weapons were put into the tombs. The pyramids were the tombs of the pharaohs.
Decline of the Egyptian civilization. The decline of the Egyptian civilization set in with the collapse of a new kingdom. It was repeatedly invaded by the Babylonians, Assyrians, Persians, and finally by the Alexander the Great. Alexander founded the city of Alexandria. It later became one of the greatest cultural centers in the ancient world.
Facts. Cleopatra was not an Egyptian.
Ancient Egyptians loved board games.
Egyptian workers were known to organize labor strikes.
The pyramids were not built by slaves.
King Tutankhamen may have been killed by a hippopotamus.
Scribes rarely wrote in hieroglyphs.
Not all pharaohs built pyramids.
More than 2000 gods and goddesses were worshipped in Egypt.
The pharaohs believed to be a living king.
The Abu Simbel temples are two temples in Abu Simbel carved out of a massive solid rock. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.